Some people question, is it necessary to have a guru? Can't we do all these things? So, years pass away and they die. And in the next birth also, if they continue the question, they will not progress further. That is one question to be clarified. Another question is, suppose we make a wrong choice and make a total surrender. What happens? Suppose that person is an idiot who can lead us into troubles. Suppose we make a total surrender to an astral beast. What happens? The truth is that nature always protects us by making a law applied to us. The first of the occult laws comes into existence here. That is, when you make a total surrender to an astral beast or a cheat or a deceit or a person who wants to squeeze money or opportunities or property or make use of yourself, then if your surrender is really sincere and if it knows no difference at all, if it is total, then you are benefited and the fellow goes down. That is what nature does. This happens only when you are sincere. When the person who makes a total surrender is really sincere in his total surrender, and whatever insincerity is shown on the part of the guru, it eats the guru and burns him away. And the disciple is safe and he is benefited by his surrender. This is the first occult law in nature, which we grow confident only after experience. But this is very, very difficult as far as the Occidental mind is concerned. Because the personality shell, the shell of the personality capsule is hard as stone and iron to the Occident. Here comes the difficulty to the Occident. In the other steps comes the difficulty to the Orient. The Orient is lacking in something where he faces his trouble. The Occident has something lacking in something where he faces his troubles. Here it is troublesome to the Occident. Because as Occidentals, we live on our personality. And to submit personality means it is worse than suicide. Here comes the trouble. And how to make this total surrender? That is, you have to accept the succession of events occurring to you. Because he knows it. A total mental acceptance of the incidents occurring to you. Because you will understand gradually that nature is wiser than you and nature is leading you. The less and less the resistance is of the lower mind, the more and more are the efficient operations of nature upon you.